In this video, we'll show you how to change the screen timeout settings on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. The screen timeout determines how long your iPhone stays on before it automatically locks and shuts off. This setting is handy, especially if you forget to lock your phone, as it will automatically power down after the time you've chosen. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. From there, scroll down further until you find the Auto Lock option and select it. Now, you'll see a range of options for setting the timeout period. My device is currently set to never, which means my phone will stay on indefinitely unless it runs out of battery. However, you can choose a time like 5 minutes or even as short as 1 minute, and your phone will automatically lock and turn off after that period. That's all there is to it. Adjusting this setting is that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more tips.